How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's begin. Once upon a time, there were there was a beautiful green village. Everyone lived happily until a mean demon attacked the village. With a snap of his fingers and a flash of dark magic, all the women and girls in the village disappeared. The village became a very sad and messy place. The men and boys did not know how to cook yummy food. The household and the houses became dusty, and the farms were full of weeds. Everyone realized that without females, life was very, very difficult. In the village, there was an old, dried up well. It had no clean water, just a little bit of muddy puddle at the bottom. One sunny day, a young boy was sitting near the well with his pet goat. Suddenly, the goat slipped and fell right into the well. The boy cried out, "Oh no, my goat!" But instead of a splash, a magical pink light came out of the well. Floating up from the dark hole was a beautiful young lady. She could not speak a single word, but she was very kind and smiled warmly. She immediately cleaned the boy's house, cooked a delicious meal, and helped in the farm. The boy grew up, married her, and they had two lovely children. Soon, the whole village found out the big secret. If you throw an animal into the magical well, a woman will appear. Every villagers rushed to the well. They started throwing in their cows, sheep, chickens, and beautiful women kept coming out of the well. But because these women could not speak, many villagers did not treat them nicely. Some made them work all day and night like servants without saying a simple thanks. In the same village, there lived a very poor, innocent young man named Tim. Tim lived with his old father. They were so poor that they had only one animal, a big pink pig. Tim wanted to get married and had someone help his old father at home. He told his father, "Father, I will take our only pig and throw it into well. Then a beautiful young girl will come out to help."